All right, so hopefully you figured out when I said the drop-down menu, I'm talking about the select element, okay? And that's how you get the drop-down right here. And I put a red border around it so you can see. Now let's talk about the select tag, okay? So this is all part of that. That's the li, right? And I gave it a class of drop-down, okay? Now, of course, like every other input, we need a label. And this is for colors, right? So what's your favorite color and all of that. Now remember the for attribute goes with the ID, okay? The value colors and colors match. So that means when we click on the label right here, you see how this gets selected, okay? Now, so you have a label and then you have select. And in order to have drop-down options, you need what's called option tags right here. Now, this first option tag has no string value, so it's empty. Okay, so its attribute value is also blank. Okay. Now, why do we need the word value in here? It's so for that in JavaScript, you can check a value by just saying document.querySelector and then option and then dot value. Okay. We can also use dot text content, but for inputs, the convention is that you put a value attribute and you use dot value in your JavaScript file. Okay. All right. What is the selected thing right here? Well, the selected attribute, you can only use that inside option tags. Okay. And that's going to give you the default selected value. So right here, you see it's on the one with no text. Therefore, that's the one that's selected. If I take this off and I put it on blue instead, and I refresh the page, you see that blue is now selected. Okay. But normally, right, in forms where user have to fill out stuff, the selected should go on the blank like this. Okay. Now, your next big challenge, I need you to Google stuff, MDN stuff, use Stack Overflow. Now, when we accidentally refreshes this page, how can we save this value? Okay. And if you were able to figure out the radio buttons, this should not be too hard. Okay, I'll give you the solution in the next one.